Dark matter, an unseen scaffold, holds galaxies together.
But another force pushes back. Dark energy, the great expander. Together, they shape the very fate of the universe.
And still, their battle remains invisible and unsolved.
You follow for more cosmic mysteries.